What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be tuning my brother's car. We're gonna do spark plugs, oil change, drain the coolant, put a new one, and yeah. And after that, he might do a small. But we just want to do that just so it could run better. Cause right now the car's been sitting out for 2 years. But yeah, we're gonna do that on his EF. And this is the homie's EG B20 VTEC.
She's not going original though. I mean, she's not. They don't turn on original. I have it from young. Pero,
How long though?
like 5 minutes? You see how nasty this shit is in there?
Yeah. That's just clean as fuck though.
Yeah, it is pretty clean of course. How much you charge me to do that tune up on that motherfucker?
Like what?
Whatever you look at it and be like, hey, if I messed up on it,
Like what? Shit.
or like for sure the head gasket because it's leaking, you know, and maybe the cam seal.
¿Qué? ¿Te estás levantando el jale, güey? ¿Así de tagging o qué, güey?
Sí, güey.
Acá, chécalo. Noche.
Yeah, that's a sick ass shit though. Strictly shot.
Not that bad. Their head is leaking though, watch it. That's probably what the issue was, fool.
So the emissions are not reading right.
Or hella wet.
So right now we're just gonna take off the bolt from the oil pan and then strain it into this bucket. And then yeah, so the size should be a 17. For if you guys have a Honda, should be a 17.
Pen, alright? He the man. You get the other dude's king, you got the game. But he trying to get your king too, so you gotta protect him. So how do you get to be the king? It ain't like that. See, the king, stay the king.
So right now we're just draining the coolant. I already took off like the little butterfly, whatever you want to call this, but I call it a butterfly. We're gonna refill it with some brand new one, oil on antifreeze, and then it should be good. So right now we're just gonna fill up everything back up. I already did everything. As you guys can see, I made a little mess, but it's okay. It's just antifreeze. So right now we're just gonna fill up the oil, fill up the antifreeze, and then and yeah. So right now we're just gonna be adding antifreeze, and just until it gets filled up.
Trapped together, then that's my motherfucking brother. I pay her bills and bound designer, but I don't love her. She just play a part when it's time to smuggle. I pull up, pick up that bag and burn rust. I count the street too, but I stay away from suckers.
Right now we're just gonna turn on the car, let it run a little bit, check the oil, see if it's good on the oil side, and then yeah, just gonna test drive it after, see if it feels better. So right now we're just gonna test drive the car and see if it runs better.
It does.
Yeah?
Yeah, for real, for real.
Yeah, it feels way better
It
though.
does. And I'm on the passenger side of it. I can feel that.
Yeah, that's way better. So my brother says it feels better, and then I drove it too right now, and it feels way better. Like when you step on the gas, it just goes normal. It's not like, it doesn't feel like it's forced or anything. So we're just gonna drive it a little bit, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day we're gonna go do a smog again, since it didn't pass. But it didn't pass because I feel like it needed a tune-up. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow or the day after that, just to drive it around. And then yeah. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned for more updates what my brother's gonna do on his EF sedan. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.